Welcome to our YouTube channel Geviliya Cooking, which shows you various methods of preparing traditional food items in Sri Lanka. Uh, this is the New Year festival season of Sri Lanka, and you can hear the sound of cuckoo bird uh, and the natural environment is also getting ready for the New Year festival. Uh, you can see our Geviliya is getting ready to make a new food item. First, she added some vanilla to scraped coconut and mixes it well. And now she puts it into another bowl. Now she's taking some sugar. As she said earlier, sugar, coconut, and flour should be taken in similar portions. Now she puts the sugar into the bowl and mixes it well. Actually, Sri Lankan women are very busy in these days preparing various kinds of sweet meats for the new year. Now she is adding flour into the mixture and mixes it well. Actually, this food item is very easy to prepare. Now she is adding some water. This food item can be prepared using three main ingredients: coconut, scraped coconut, sugar, and flour. Now she is mixing it well, and she is adding little water. Actually, this food item is very easy to prepare. As the Sri Lankan women are very busy these days, this is very useful. Now she is making the food item with her hands. This food item has a special shape. It has 6 corners, and it is shaped using her both hands. It is not difficult to prepare this shape. First she make a ball, and then she's making the 6 corners with the hands. Actually, Sri Lankan women usually prepare various kind of sweet meats these days, such as kaum, kokis, mungarali, alua, and there are many kinds of sweet meats. But this food item is very easy to prepare. Actually, this now she is frying the food item in hot oil. This food item is called mukulu, and you need little coconut oil. When it is fried in the coconut oil, it becomes brown in color, which is similar to traditional kaum in Sri Lanka. When the sugar is melt, it becomes brownish and little bit honey shaped. Now the food item is ready. Actually, this food item can be prepared within 10 minutes or less. Now our Geviliya is getting ready to prepare another food item which is useful for the New Year season. She is cutting tender jack. Actually, tender food items using tender jack is very popular in Sri Lanka. Sri Lankan women usually make a curry with it, and they prepare pickles also. Now she is peeling the tender jack. Actually, this is the New Year season. You can easily find tender jacks from everywhere. Now she is cutting the tender jack into slices. After that, she is cutting the tender jack into small pieces. I'm sure she is making a new food item for Sri Lankans. Now she is putting the pieces of tender jack into a pot of water. And she is adding some salt. After that, she is adding some cinnamon and some cloves also, which enhances the taste and goodness of the food item. And now she puts the pot on the hearth. It should be boiled for about 5 minutes. Actually, during the season, the environment is very greenish. Now the tender jack is halfly boiled. Now she is taking the pot off the fire, and then she is removing the water. there are some ingredients such as garlic, green chili, and now she's find pieces of tender jack in hot oil. It should be well fried. Actually, she is getting ready to a special food item called polos moju. Now she is adding some chopped onions. It should be halfly fried. Actually, Sri Lankans usually prepare moju with brinjals, but this is very different. As you can see, it is halfly fried now. After that, she is frying some green chili, which are half cut. They are also halfly boiled in hot oil. Now she is pouring some vinegar into a clay pot, and she is adding some saffron and ginger. After that, she is adding some garlic also. After that, she added some cardamom and mixes it well. Actually, now she's adding some mustard also, and then some chili powder. After that, she added some pepper also. Actually, Sri Lankans are very fond of hot curries. That's why she added chili powder and pepper. As I said earlier, Sri Lankans usually prepare moji with noodles. Now she added some salt also. She added some sugar. As you can see, she added 4 teaspoonfuls of sugar and stirs well. Now she takes the pot off the fire. In comparing with brinjals, this polos moji is very safe to eat and very wholesome. Now she is mixing all the ingredients together. actually it has a appetizing smell and it's in color also. Now the mojo is ready. Uh, if you want to prepare this kind of easy food items, you must watch our YouTube channel Geviliya Cooking. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year for all of you. Thank you very much.